Serve hard, sell easy. I got this from Jason Gill, a colleague of mine. This is just to be a short video. Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies here. It's a good mantra to have. Serve hard, but sell easy. Because most people do it the opposite in business. Or a lot of people do, yeah? Where they sell very hard, but they serve easy, meaning they work really hard. They put a lot of pressure on the sale, but once they actually get the clients, they don't take care of them. That's how you succeed in the short term. You sell hard, but you serve easy. The way you succeed in the long term is you sell easy, no pressure, but you serve very hard. You make sure that you really take care of your clients. And so often it's done the opposite way. If all you care about is today, do the first thing. If you want to be in business tomorrow, do the second thing. Because most of the sales will be done by the people you served so hard. They're the ones who will be doing the selling for you in the long term. In the short term, it's got to be you. But in the long term, it's really got to be them. And they will do a better job of promoting you than you could. They'll reach people you could never reach. But only if you serve them hard. Only if you really, really bring your best to help them get the result they want in a way that they enjoy. That's when they're going to spread the word about you. So, simple idea today. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.